Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. आई एम उमैर अहमद ख़ान, योर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज इंस्ट्रक्टर। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है जी 9th क्लास का चैप्टर नंबर 3 है, फेडरल बोर्ड ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट एंड सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन। ये हमारा सिलेबस है, इनका अप्रूव्ड सिलेबस है। और मीडिया एंड इट्स इम्पैक्ट यूनिट नंबर 3, ये हमारा आज का टाइटल है, टॉपिक है। देखते हैं जी इस चैप्टर में क्या डिस्कशन होती है। ट्रांसलेशन हम इसकी डिस्कस करेंगे, क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस करेंगे, एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे, और इसके अलावा फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स और इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो भी हैं इसमें वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे। चलो जी, ट्रांसलेशन से हम अपना लेसन का आगाज़ करते हैं। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मिस आयशा इज़ द फेवरेट टीचर ऑफ क्लास 9। द स्टूडेंट्स ईगरली अटेंड हर क्लास। मिस आयशा जो हैं वो फेवरेट टीचर हैं तमाम स्टूडेंट्स की, और बच्चे जो है ना पैशनेटली उनका लेक्चर सुनते हैं। मिस आयशा एंटर्स द क्लासरूम विद हर यूजुअल स्माइल, ग्रीट्स द स्टूडेंट एंड टेक्स द रोल कॉल। मिस आयशा यूजुअली स्माइल करते हुए क्लास में दाखिल होती हैं और तमाम बच्चों की अटेंडेंस लेती हैं। It is their tutorial class. The students are all geared up. They know what is about to come and they all prepare for it. जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो ठीक ठाक होकर सीधे होकर बैठ गए हैं, और उनको वो जानते हैं कि जी आज हमने क्या पढ़ना है। Shall we start? Shall we start? She speaks politely. मैम पूछती हैं कि जी हम अपने चैप्टर का आगाज़ करें, तो स्टूडेंट्स कहते हैं yes. The students note. स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं वो अपना सर हिलाते हैं। Teacher, okay, as we have decided earlier, the topic for today's discussion is role of media and its impact. To start with, let me state clearly that media is the most powerful mode of communication. It shares news and information with the people. Sometimes media spreads false news, but generally it informs us about the facts around us. ये मैम उनको डेफिनेशन बताती हैं क्या। मीडिया इज़ अ मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन। मीडिया इज़ अ मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन। इट शेयर्स न्यूज़ एंड इंफॉर्मेशन। ये इंपॉर्टेंट है। व्हाट डज इट शेयर? इट शेयर्स न्यूज़ एंड इंफॉर्मेशन विद द पीपल, बट इट समटाइम्स स्प्रेड फॉल्स न्यूज़। Do you agree? Ma'am, she is posing a question. Do you agree? The students, they say yes, we do. Yes, we do. I'd like to add a bit more to it. एक स्टूडेंट उनमें कहता है कि जी I'd like to add a bit more. Yes, sure, teacher, she replies. Yes, sure. Media helps people to share knowledge of the world. Their feelings and opinions are expressed through it. Media attracts the attention of a very large audience. Have you noticed that? The first thing we do after entering the house is to switch on the television, isn't it? एक स्टूडेंट उनसे कहता है कि जी मीडिया का जो मोस्ट पावरफुल फंक्शन है वो क्या है जी। इट स्प्रेड्स नॉलेज। देयर फीलिंग्स एंड ओपिनियंस आर एक्सप्रेस्ड थ्रू इट। लोगों के जो फीलिंग्स हैं और जो उनके ओपिनियंस हैं वो मीडिया और टेलीविज़न के ज़रिए ही हम तक पहुंचते हैं। Media attracts the attention of a very large audience. Yes, I agree with it कि मीडिया जो है वो काफ़ी लार्ज, जो बड़े पैमाने पर ऑडियंस है, जो पीपल हैं, उनकी अटेंशन ग्रैब करने का बायस बनती है। Have you noticed that the first thing we do after entering the house? वो बच्चा पूछता है कि आपने कभी ये चीज़ नोटिस की है कि जैसे ही हम घर में दाखिल होते हैं तो जो सबसे पहला काम करते हैं वो हम क्या करते हैं? अपना टीवी ऑन करते हैं। टीचर कहती है there is no doubt about it. The student, let me say that media has become a part of our life. It not only informs us but also entertains us. अब मीडिया का दूसरा फंक्शन क्या है जी? It not only informs us but also entertains us. मीडिया का सिर्फ यही काम नहीं है कि वो एक इंफॉर्मेशन या नॉलेज देता है, बट हमें entertain भी करता है। Teacher, absolutely right. Well, do you have any idea about the two major means of communication? मैम उनसे पूछती हैं, do you have any idea about the two main functions or the two main modes of communication? The student 3, he replies, there are two means of communication, electronic media and print media. Electronic media and print media. The media includes film, radio, television, internet, books, magazines, and Newspapers, it provides us information as well as entertainment. uh, बच्चा वो जवाब देता है कि जी we have different kinds of media, electronic media and print media. Electronic media includes film, radio, television, internet. ये सारा का सारा क्या जी electronic media. Whereas print media includes newspaper, magazines and books. It provides us information as well as entertainment. Teacher, God, it's through the media that the world has become a global village. It is only the cause, or it is only just because of the media that world has become a global village. There is coverage for all important events of the world on television. We can have an easy access to all kinds of information through media. Yes, we can have all kinds of access through media. Student 4 is asking question. Can we say that word is just a click away? Yes, I agree with the student's point of view or his question that yes, I agree that the word is only far away, just on a click on a just a click away. The word is on a click on only on if we click a button or if we click, then word is with us. Okay. Teacher, maybe, well, would any other student like to say something on it? The question that was asked by the student, and now ma'am is, or the teacher is trying to ask this question to other students to get their opinions. Let's see. Student 5, Madam, in my opinion, media plays a very constructive role. Constructive role means very positive role. For society, it raises awareness about many social issues like corruption, terrorism, drug addiction, and violation of human rights. Okay, yeah, you're right. What it raises, media raises awareness about social issues like corruption, terrorism, drug addiction, and violation of human rights. Yes, the teacher is replying, yes, you're right. Okay, the student 6, media has become a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. Media has become the mouthpiece of every little and every major thing. Okay, yes, well said. It would not be wrong to say that media is the most vigilant. Vigilant means the alert institution that keeps an eye on every segment of the society through debates, reports, and talk shows. It makes everyone answerable and accountable. Yes, we agree. This is why media has become an integral part of our lives. Now I would invite one of you to sum up the discussion. At the end, ma'am is asking the student, is asking one of the students to come at the stage or to come at front to sum up the whole lecture, to sum up the whole discussion. Okay, the student 1, he comes and he's concluding. He's saying, I would like to conclude the discussion by saying that media can play a positive role and has a corrective impact if it works honestly. Okay, the teacher, she is commenting or she is complimenting that. Good conclusion, good conclusion. I'm happy that all of you have participated in the discussion and have expressed yourselves very well. Okay, the bell rings. Miss Aisha says goodbye to the class and leaves. Okay, this was the chapter, and it was only about media and its impact. We discussed about the types of modes of communication. We talked about electronic and print media. Then we talked about the examples of these two. And then what we did, then we talked about some other constructive and positive role of media, as well as we talked about some negative effects of or impacts of media. Now we are moving to the other part, and that is question and answer section. Let's see, what is the important function that media performs? Media, it gives us knowledge, it entertains us, it provides information. All these functions are The important functions. Okay, what are the two major means of communication? Definitely, we have electronic and print media. How does media provide an entertainment? Yes, media provide an entertainment to us, like film, like drama, like cartoonography, like so many other types we have. What happens when media is allowed to play its role unchecked? It spreads false news. It provides fake news. Okay, give three reasons in support of your TV favorite program. I hope you can do that. Okay. Moving to another point, and that is there are some MCQs and short questions. Okay. Okay. Page number 27. This is page number 27. Identify personal, possessive, reflexive, and indefinite pronouns. Okay. This is my book. My is possessive pronoun because it is showing the ownership, it is showing the custody, it is showing the authority, right? Salman is absent because he is ill. He is underlined here and he is personal pronoun. You will hurt yourself. You will hurt yourself. Now, in every word, in each word, wherever it is self, so it is reflecting towards reflexive or towards emphatic pronoun. Okay. Nobody. Nobody was there to rescue the child. Nobody is an indefinite pronoun. Okay. This was all for this chapter, and I hope that you guys have understood. But even then, if you guys have not understood, you can ask or you can leave the questions for me. And I hope if you have not understood this lecture, you will leave or you will pose a question on me, or you will pose a question here, or you will post a question in the comment box. And I am requesting all of you, if you guys have understood this lecture, or if you guys have really liked this lecture, I am requesting to like and subscribe this channel to support. Thank you very much. God bless you all.